US-Iran peace deal, the agreement that could change global markets. What if I told you a single agreement between the US and Iran could impact oil prices, global trade, stock markets, and even geopolitical tensions across the Middle East? Here's what you need to know about the historic US-Iran framework deal. The first step is a Memorandum of Understanding, expected to be signed in Switzerland. Once signed, traffic through the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important oil shipping routes, will begin reopening. At the same time, the US blockade on Iranian ports is expected to start easing, helping restore global trade flows. The biggest breakthrough involves Iran's nuclear program. Iran has agreed it will neither produce nor acquire nuclear weapons. Until a final agreement is reached, Iran is expected to freeze nuclear activities, stop further uranium enrichment, and halt expansion of nuclear facilities. Meanwhile, the US says there will be a strong inspection mechanism to ensure compliance. The financial implications could be massive. The US is expected to avoid imposing new sanctions during negotiations and may temporarily waive oil-related sanctions. Reports suggest up to $25 billion of Iran's frozen assets could be released through various mechanisms. If a final deal is reached, US and UN sanctions could gradually be lifted, potentially increasing Iranian oil exports and easing pressure on global energy prices. The agreement also aims to reduce military tensions across the region, including Lebanon. A calmer Middle East could mean more stable oil prices, smoother trade routes, and reduced geopolitical risks for global markets. Will this deal reshape global energy markets and create new opportunities for investors? Follow for more market-moving updates.